day to you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped in our previous video. In our previous video, we started explaining the tools that you need to know how to use in order for you to support your strategy so that you can understand and continuously make money online. We started from the very first beginning, having something of value that you can actually offer to the public. And I said the something of value could be either a product or a knowledge or a skill or a knowledge or even a business, anything that you can easily offer to another person that is going to be valuable to that person in order for you to make money online. I said after you have that something of value, that is not all. Then you need to learn the strategies of selling that something of value, where I said these three skills are very, very important for you because that is where those strategies are hidden. The first one is the social media content marketing skill. The second one is the copywriting skill. And then the last one is the closing skill. So after that time, then we move down to this third part, which is learn the required tools to support that your strategy. You see, when you follow all these things accordingly, irrespective of any valuable thing that you want to sell to people online, if you have learned everything that I have discussed from the day one of my video to this particular day that you are watching, believe me, you are definitely going to be seeing 100% changes in your online journey. Now, like I said, AI tool is very, very important for you to know how to use if you want to continuously make money online, because with this particular tool, irrespective of any valuable thing that you want to offer to the public, ChatGPT is going to be helping you to generate lots of content. ChatGPT can actually do a lot of stuff in your online journey. So if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, please kindly make sure you learn it. It is one of the tools that is very, very important for you to know how to use. Another tool that is very important, that if you don't know how to use it, it is not complete for you online, irrespective of all those strategies that you have learned. If you don't know how to use all this marketing tool, believe me, you have not completed your journey on this online space, and it's going to be affecting your online journey. One of the most important tools that a lot of people that are into online journey or online business are always using to make money online is Seller. And I'm going to be showing you how Seller looks like. Seller is just like online platform, an online tool where we use to publish our products. For example, you have an idea or you have a knowledge and you have already turned that knowledge into an ebook, or you've actually turned that knowledge into a course, or you are a tailor and you want to also teach all other tailors that are within you, or all the tailors in the world. You want to teach them one particular style that only you know how to sew the style, and you want other tailors to benefit from it. You want to sell it to them. You can easily create all that particular knowledge that you have into a course, video yourself as you are sewing the clothes, and then put it into a digital product and then upload it on this marketing tool called Seller. Let me show you how Seller looks like so that you can understand what I am talking about. Now, this is a platform called Seller where you can actually publish a lot of your books, and all this particular thing, you can actually publish a course and also you can publish a book on Seller. So once you want to publish a book, you can easily go to product. Once you get to product, you click on all products. Once you click on all products, then let's scroll down. You are going to go to this particular place. Go to add products if you want to add your product. So any product that you have created, once you click on add product, it's going to ask you, is it digital product, is it physical product, or anything that you want to upload. So once you upload this particular product of yours here, you will definitely see people. You can channel the link of your product to anybody that you want to sell your digital product to. So this tool called Seller is very, very important for anybody that wants to sell that something of value. Another important tool that you need to know how to use, and this is what a lot of people usually use to do their landing page and some other landing page tools like that. This one is called Systemi.io. This particular tool can actually help you to create a landing page. This particular tool can also help you in your email marketing. You remember in the advert that I showed you that some people are using on Facebook, when you click on the advert, they request for your name and your email address. So the platform they are using are called marketing tools that they can actually use to continuously follow you up on that particular product of them that you want to buy. So if you also want to sell something online, you can either use a marketing tool that is very, very important for this type of the product that you want to sell to people. So that is that about that. So this is Systemi.io. There are a lot of functions that this particular marketing tool can actually do for you. So that is why it is important for you to know how to use all these marketing tools. There are lots of them that you are going to be exposed to. Just follow through my video and learn more from that. So after that tool, another important tool that you need to know how to use is what we know as Canva. Canva is a graphic designing tool that you are going to be using to support your strategy in form of, you remember, you have actually learned social media content marketing skill. If you want to put out your content online, you will need to be designing one or two things for your content, irrespective of the type of content that you want to create. And Canva is one of the tools that can actually help you to do that easily without paying graphic designing or without paying graphic designer as a complete beginner. You can easily do all these things yourself with the help of Canva. So let me show you something. Once you go to canva.com on your phone, you can actually get to this particular page, and with the help of Canva, you can easily customize, you can easily create from scratch any design that you want to design for your product or for your service or for your knowledge or for anything that you want to sell to people online. You can use this Canva to design a book, you can use this Canva to design a flyer, you can use this Canva to design lots of things that you also need to know how to use if you want to make money online. Apart from Canva, you still need to know how to use CapCut. CapCut is a video editing tool that allows you to edit in a simple way that people can actually see your videos out there, and a lot of things that you can actually use this Canva to. All these tools are very, very important, because without them, all the strategies that you have learned, you cannot implement them. All those strategies are knowledge that you have already embedded in yourself. But if you don't have the right tool to channel your knowledge to the person that needs it, or to the person that is going to be utilizing it so that you can get the benefit, it's not going to be yielding any result for you. So you need to learn all these marketing tools for you to be able to implement all those strategies that you have learned. Now, the next one is Google tool. Google have different type of tools online that can actually help you to make money online. Everything that is making people money online, you also have it within your reach. But because you don't know how to use them, that is why you are not making the money. And now you are being exposed to all the tools that you need to know how to use. And believe me, all these tools that you are seeing here, within 1 or 2 months, you are done knowing how to use everything. Just be ready to learn, because in this video, I'm going to be putting you through everything that you needed, one after the other. So now this Google tool is very, very important for you to know how to use, because Google have Google Form, they have Google Sheet, they have Google Documents, they have every Google tools that they have. You need to know how to use them. At least you need to know how to use at least maybe 5 or 6 or 7 different types of Google tools. I'm going to be showing you one here, and I'm going to be showing you Google Form, and I'm going to be showing you Google Sheet, how they looks like and the importance of them, so that you can see the reason why you also need to know how to use them. This is how Google Form looks like. As you can see, this Google Form, this is what I actually usually use to generate my leads organically. If I want to generate leads organically to my DM, as you can see, this Google Form, I use it for content writing skill, and I generated over 700 leads with this particular Google Form. So let me show you something how I did it, so that you can understand how this thing works. Now, if you want to do it, you are going to come to just click Google Form on your Chrome browser. Once you get to Google Form, you are going to just customize, or you fill everything yourself. There are some detailed videos that I have created on how to create Google Form. But once you have created your Google Form and it is like this, then you are going to channel it to people that are going to be interested in anything you are going to be needing, because we use this particular Google Form to generate leads. When we get to the last part, whereby the marketing funnel, I explain what lead is all about and how we usually generate it. So I will explain more for you about that when we get there. So Google Sheets is also another thing that you need to know how to use, because with this, you can easily keep your record or track your record of people that are actually following up on your Google Form, and a lot of things that you can actually use Google Sheet to do. I'm going to be introducing you to them as we progress with this training. So without wasting too much of your time, let's quickly move to the next thing on our agenda. Now that you know how to use this Google Form, that you know how to use the Google Sheets, you need to know how to use all these tools that I'm mentioning here. Another tool that you should not joke with if you want to be making money online is to know how to use some WhatsApp tool. WhatsApp tools are tools that we actually use to make business easier for us to run using WhatsApp Business. So if you want to be an online, or you want to be making money online, when you see people shouting, they are making money on that green app, they are making money on that green app. If you are not using WhatsApp Business, you cannot understand what they are talking about. So because there are some features in WhatsApp Business that are going to be important for you, and that are going to be making it easier for you to make money with this particular WhatsApp, because you've gotten a lot of strategy, and you are going to be making use of WhatsApp to chat with the client, or to chat with your customers, or to chat with your lead, or to chat with your target audience, people that are going to be coming from your advert. They are going to be coming, most of them will come through your WhatsApp. Without the knowledge of how to use this WhatsApp tool, it's going to be difficult for you to know how to do some things for them. And believe me, let me show you some things you need to take note about WhatsApp tool. So now this is WhatsApp Business. As you can see, they said what? Business tool. This is very, very important for you to know how to set, because if you want to make money online consistently, you need to set up all this your WhatsApp tool, and you need to understand how we usually use them, so that you can also see the benefit of them. This is your business profile. You're just going to set it up the way your business is all about. As you can see, I've already set up my own here. You have to set up your own too. They are very, very, very important for any business that you want to do online. It is very, very important to set it up. Your catalog, you also need to set it up. What do we mean by catalog? You are going to be hearing more about it as we proceed with this particular training. So catalog is just a place whereby you put in your product flyer or everything about your business and a lot more. So that is catalog. And this one, quick replies, you are still going to be knowing how to use it. Label, you are going to be knowing how to use it when you start implementing. I'm still going to be teaching you everything step by step. Without wasting too much of your time, I think I've been able to explain all these particular tools that you need for you to be able to make money online. So now we have covered all the necessary parts of this. We are now moving down to the last part of this particular seminar, whereby once you acquire all these particular things accordingly the way I am explaining it to you, you will definitely and continuously make money online. Believe me, it is certain and it is 100%. So make sure you take your time. Forget about the time it's going to cost you. If you are very serious, within 2, 3, 4 weeks, you are done with all these things that I'm saying. If you're very, very busy, within 1 or 2 months, you are done with everything that I'm explaining for you in this video. So please don't be lazy at all. Take them one after the other. Believe me, you are going to definitely make money online. So you have acquired your something of value. You already learned the strategies, and now you already know how to use the tool. The last part of it is the marketing funnel. And this is where the ending of online journey, this is where it ends. If you want to continuously make money online, when you understand this marketing funnel, some people call it sales funnel. Once you understand it very well, just like the way I'm going to be breaking it down for you in this video, believe me, throughout the end of your life, you will continuously make money online. So I don't want this video to be too much. I'm going to be breaking this down in my next video so that I can get the full explanation and the full understanding of what this marketing funnel is all about. If you have not liked this video, please don't forget to drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I am African Prince Ares, and I'll see you in my next video. But before we go, please kindly drop any lovely comments in the comment section of this video. I will definitely appreciate that. Bye for now.